think we'll have to call this Bath 2.0 because suddenly she likes it. Don't you? Don't you like this bath? Yeah.
A little big for the tub.
Uh-huh. We'll have to get a bigger tub. Oh my goodness. Elsie Ray, are you having fun? Oh my goodness.
Look at Daddy.
Wow. That's fun.
Want to talk to me?
She's gonna make a mess. Oh, my laughter is shaking the camera. I'm sorry. Those are. Oh.
There are waters everywhere. Where did you go?
My goodness, little girlie.
You gonna give me a smile? Oh, you got yourself in the eye.
Such an exercise. You're gonna be the strongest little girlie in the world.
You want to sit up? You want to sit up in here?
Such a pudgemeister. You need that exercise.
Oh.
I think it's bathing time. I think we got to get you clean.
Bye-bye. Oh.
What a cutie.